Well guys, welcome to our Hindu guidelines. These guidelines will help you how to read a particular article. There are some articles related to the environment, science and technology, human resources. Let's see the articles related to environment and ecology. Final hearings begin on batch of cases challenging plastic ban. This article is related to the banning of plastic bags and its arising issues. There are two types of plastic bags, woven and non-woven plastic bag. Try to find out the difference. It also discusses, it also leaves a thought to analyze what is the impact of plastic bans on small manufacturing. Is clarity needed regarding the ban on plastic bags? Environmental Protection Act 1986. Who has the power and authority under this act to issue environmental guidelines, whether it is central or state? What is the power, structure, or mandate of Environmental Protection Act? Another article, 139 cities not on clean air plan. The article discusses two important things. One, governmental scheme, National Clean Air Program. It has been recently introduced. I have discussed about the program in another video in my channel. Try to find out it. And one is governmental and another is non-governmental. A civil society report, Airpocalypse 3. It has been revealed by Greenpeace. Both the report has some stark differences because National Clean Air Program base year is 2015, while this base year for this report is 2017. National Clean Air Program has left many cities out of its ambit, while it has emphasizes more than cities than NCAP. So try to analyze the distinction between the report, why the differences came, what are the solutions, etc. regarding this. Another environmental news here is no Indo-Nepal Pact on tigers. This is a very important article. Yesterday Hindu newspaper also there is a very important environmental news actually. That news discusses that while India's aim is to increase tiger, but gradually Indian ecological capacity is non-maximum to bear the potentiality of increasing tiger. So in such a situation, what should India do? And from this article, what we can analyze, the tiger census methods in India, their analysis, India's tiger status, capability to bear, as I said, whether though tiger has increased in India, whether India can bear the capacity, whether India can utilize its ecology in terms of prey, in terms of providing food for increasing number of tigers. Under prelims point of view is with which countries India has signed pact for tiger preservation, with which countries India has treaties regarding cross-border tiger conservation. Some article related science and technology. ISRO lists 10 firms for lithium battery. It is related to lithium-ion battery. Try to find out the lithium-ion battery and its role for electronic vehicles. So it is also indirectly related to environment in terms of its role for clean environment. Another is Rajasthan Zika strain is endemic to Asia. It is related to Zika virus. And here some important footnote for science and technology is that S139N mutation and its contribution to microcephaly. How this mutation means changing in DNA structure causes microcephaly, and what is its role in Zika virus, and how there is a difference between Asian Zika and American Zika virus. And what this endemic means. If the Zika virus is endemic in Asia, then what kind of immunities will be provided to Indians? National Institute of Virology, sometimes you might find question in prelims. It's mandate. Sometimes it might help you to write answers in pre-mains. Another article is related to education and human resources is that decisions put off on institutions of eminence. First, try to find out institutions of eminence tech. What is this tech? And how it contributes to freedom of institutions. The it is given for both public and private institutions, while Financial grant is provided to public institutions, no financial grant for private institutions. And an institution with tag of institutions of eminence, how freedom has been granted to such kind of institution in terms of decision making, autonomy, or course related decisions, and how this autonomy will help to pave the way for global education platform. Try to find out this thing. Another important article is globalization and liberalization. The article is the name of the article is Universal Basic Capital, and the topic your syllabus topic is that this article has brought is globalization and liberalization and privatization. The article says that the purpose of the business must be business. The aim of the business is profit motive. In such cases, the growing privatization of public institutions. In such cases, when privatization is going on, when the aim of the privatization is business motive, then how such institutions, how public institutions, how private institutions will keep public welfare as a goal. So it is a matter to think and analyze in terms of growing privatization can equally be profit and human development index, can profit one hand profit and another hand human development, can both this go hand in hand under privatization, right? Another thing is the concept is universal basic capital. What is the concept of universal basic capital? It says that the government should provide a particular income to each citizen of India so that they can survive, they can fulfill their necessities, and apart from that, and how they use those money, it should left to the citizens themselves, because if citizens cannot rationally decide themselves how to use their money, then who will decide? This is a very important and interesting aspect of the article. And again, the critical point of this is that if the particular whether the government's duty at this 21st century is to provide only basic income, as well as providing other human welfare like education, health, etc. also. So try to form your own opinion and analysis in this way under this guidance.